What's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to open this gas container. There's no instruction on how to open this container, so I found it a bit hard to open it at the beginning, but I'm gonna show you now the method to open this gas container. As you can see here, there's a label here that says open, but it doesn't tell you how to do it. When you want to open the black cap, it's gonna be a little bit hard. So what you have to do is just to press this like lid here. Let me show you here how. Press it and turn. So it'll go to the next grid, and then press it and keep turning to the anti-clockwise, and now you can open the lid easily, just like that. Now you can start filling up the gas, and if you want to put it back, just screw it back clockwise. Alright, and to lock it back, you guys have to do the same thing. Just gonna press it and turn it. Now it's gonna lock, and you have your no spill gas container ready. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use this gas container. So obviously you want to put it inside the fuel here. So before you do that, you need to just open up the front nozzle here, and then there's a green button here for you to lock and unlock the fuel. So you can see now, if I try to spill it over, it won't spill. But if you press the green button to actually pour the gas out. That's it for today's video. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and also subscribe if you find this content useful. Until next time, peace out.